SOLIDWORKS Visualize. It provides industry-leading rendering capabilities with visual design-oriented features and workflows allowing easy and fast creation of visual content. The tools support designers and engineers who use SOLIDWORKS or any other CAD tools, even non-CAD user, to produce content quickly with its simple and easy-to-use interface. Nonetheless, SOLIDWORKS Visualize leverages both CPUs and GPUs for the rendering jobs, which is also one of the key differentiators. Here are the two SOLIDWORKS Visualize packages. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard. It is an effective photo content creator. You no longer need to wait for your physical prototypes being built and spend money for costly photography sessions to showcase your product. You can now easily assign different colors and materials finishes on the models and environment setting to create high-resolution images. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Standard is already included in SOLIDWORKS Professional or SOLIDWORKS Premium packages as long as you are an active subscription customer. SOLIDWORKS Visualize can be also purchased as a standalone license. SOLIDWORKS Visualize Professional. It enables you to create your product 3D Content Director. Besides generating photo quality still images, it supports you to create animated videos and interactive animation such as turntable, which to showcase 360 degrees of your product, interior panoramas, where you can showcase the interior design of your product or your floor plan, exterior VR, which you can use to visualize the actual environment of your 3D product design. In addition, for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD user, you can directly import motion studies or exploded views from CAD data and just render the final result with SOLIDWORKS Visualize. Contact us now if you want to know more about SOLIDWORKS Visualize.